Today I'm going to be sharing a strategy that you can use to help students map out words. Now this strategy can be used with kindergartners who are just learning to write their first words by labeling their illustrations right after you have done your storytelling units. It can also be used with intervention students or just students of any age who need help mapping out the sounds in a word. Now we are going to do one that's very, very simple because we have one letter assigned to one sound. But if we are talking about using this in the older grades, you might see this also mapped out with words that have vowel teams or other parts that might be tricky for your students. So this is a really great way to combine our phonics instruction and our knowledge of what our rules are for how we spell things, like how we use AY at the end versus using AI if it's at the beginning or the middle to make the long A, or talking about how we use the long A with the magic E. All of these strategies really work together and bridge reading and writing. So this strategy can really be used for the older kids in this way, but it can also be used like as I'm going to show you in this classroom, which is a very basic CVC word. All right, let's get straight into the classroom video. Please let me know in the comments what you notice about the video and ask any questions that you have as well.
So just like we can name people, and in our writing and illustrations, we can also name animals. So we drew our dog yesterday. Today, we're going to stretch the sounds in that word dog so that we can label and write the letter symbols for the word dog. So I want you to try it with me. Here's our steps to write a word. We're going to say it, count the sounds, draw dots for each sound, and then we're going to write the letters. So we're going to do this all together. This is our strategy that we can use to write any word, and today we're going to use it to write the word dog. Now, some of you might be looking here. I see it has a different word on here. That's because we can use it for any word, but we're going to use it to write that word dog. So hold up your fist, and we're going to do our first step. We're going to say it. Let's say that word together. Dog. Say it with me. Dog. Everyone try one more time. Dog. All right, now we're going to put up one finger for each sound. Say it with me and stretch the sounds. D, A, G. Dog. Good job. Okay, I heard 3 sounds in the word dog. So my next step is to draw 1 dot for each sound. So I'm going to draw 3 dots. D, A, G. Now, the first sound is D. What letter represents that sound? D. D. I'm going to write my D. Nice and tall. D. Ah, what sound do you hear next? O. O says ah.
And then
D, A, G.
G.
G. G. Good job. All right. D, A, G spells dog. All right. Your turn. Grab your pencil. We're going to do those steps together one more time so you can practice. All right. So let's say our word first. Dog. Hold up your fist and count the sounds. Ready, Isley? D, A, G. Dog. All right, draw your 3 dots, 1 dot for each sound, and then write your letters. Good job. 3 dots first. That's kind of like our little word map.
oh no, I did. Oh.
That's okay. You need to fix it though. Good for you. Dog. Good job. Dog. What's that last sound? What letter says G? G. All right. Let's read our writing to make sure it says what we want it to say. Read it with me. Ready? D, A, G. Dog.
Why does it say
This was a different example, so we could read this one too. At, cat. But anytime we want to write a word, we can map it by drawing our dots and then writing 1 sound for each letter. All right, good job, guys. That one was really quick.